Hello and welcome to part 3 of our mini-series of tutorial on how to use the reKnowledge ontological editor. This time we are looking at relationships. To create new relationships, go to the Relationships tabs and start by creating a category for your relationship. Those categories are meant to help you organize those various connection types. Let's start by creating a mechanical categories to capture what the sociologist Emil Durkheim qualified as mechanical solidarity, such as blood relation or belonging to the same ethnic group. One such relationship is between a child and its parents. Note, this is a directed connection, in that the qualification of the relationship is different if you are a child or a parent. Next, we need to define which node classes this particular connection will apply to, and we can do this here. Let's make another type of relationship. This time, we create a functional category to capture relationships that are a function of the role of a specific node. For instance, we can create a relationship works for between specific nodes. Note that at the moment, you need to specify every possible combination. We will soon release an update that will allow you to only select the parent node class and apply the relation to all of its subclasses. At the moment, this inheritance functionality hasn't been developed. In addition to defining the type of relationship and the node pairing, you can also customize your connection properties. For instance, for the work for connection, we may want to capture the role as well as the start and end date of the working relationship. And this is what we can define in the property panel. Now that we have defined a new connection, let's create one using our earlier example. I'll quickly add a new node for Bernaluni and create a connection to BP. Using the property field, I can populate the details about his role and his start date with the company. And here we are. We've just captured our first connection information with reKnowledge. This concludes this short video on creating connection in reKnowledge. Next time, we will look at the UDMs, the user-defined model. See you then.